What's your name?
James Turner.
What? What's the name of the farm next to the hill house?
What? What's going to happen?
What? What's that? Tell me what? What's the matter?
What?
Whatever it is you have stolen from my father, I want it back. Give it to me.
No.
About what? Whatever it is.
You know what? Whatever.
What?
Whatever you need.
You know what? Whatever. Who needs a fancy suite?
What? What'd you say? What? What'd you tell him?
What? What'd you think?
What'd you say?
What? What'd she say?
What?
What are you doing out here?
What's here? What? What are you talking about?
What?
What are you listening to?
What? What are you doing?
What? What are you talking about?
What'll they do? They'll handle it.
If you stand for nothing, Burr, what'll you fall for?
What'll happen?
So what'll they say?
No digital footprint whatsoever.
It's a haven for rabbis and orphans and people with no skills whatsoever.
There is no conflict whatsoever.
I'm sick in displeasure to him, and whatsoever comes athwart his affection ranges evenly with mine.
There's no discretion whatsoever.
What's next?
What's he in here for anyway?
That's funny. Because I don't know what's going to happen to you either.
What's happening?
Where is he?
What's the time?
What are you doing here?
What you working on?
It's English.
What you doing?
What you crying for?
What are you talking about?
What are you Jimmy staring at? Back to...
What are you in for?
What are you talking about?
Hope.
What are you in for? What is it and why?
What do you care?
What is that, a bazooka? Who are you, Moses? Come on, what is this?
Nice. What is this?